are the elevators here at the Holiday Inn Express in San Jose, California. Interesting how they're staggered. Ooh, wow. These were installed very recently. Interesting how this M is the lobby. The ThyssenKrupp is lowercase there. You don't see that every day. I was expecting a bland cab, but this little turquoise is nice. It's metal. Mad Atoll, the ThyssenKrupp specialty. Main lobby, maybe that's what M stands for. Oh, that shit's all busted. I wonder how this cracks before the buttons. It was cracked on the other one too. Machine room? This one has the rear door. Pretty nice. That'll be it.